we're going to keep with this idea of addition here and kind of think about it maybe a little bit more abstractly. We want to write two different fractions whose sum is 1. So for instance, I might think of 1/3 plus 2/3. That gives me 3/3, that is 1. And there are literally infinity of these that I could come up with. So I might also write, I could write 2/5 plus 3/5. That gives me a sum of 1. Any number over itself reduces down to 1. So basically, I need to make that numerator total be equal to whatever the denominator I chose to be. Oh, and I gave away this next one. Let me change that problem. So let me change it to 3/7. So if the first number is 3/7, what should the other number be? And I'll let you kind of think about that for a second. If you need to pause, you can. If you don't, some people might already know, but see if you can figure out 3/7 plus what should equal 1. All right, so I was saying up above that we need the sum of the numerators to be equal to whatever the denominator is. So really what I'm saying is 3 plus what equals 7, because I need it to be 7/7. And I knew I was doing 7 because that problem. And I did change it from the one on the paper because I actually worked that one up above. So 3 plus 4 is 7. So the answer for this would be 4/7. So kind of thinking about those variables and maybe doing a little bit of algebra practice, I'm going to come down here and look at this problem. So if my first fraction is a over b, I need to add something to that so that it is equal to 1. So to figure out what that something is, I'm going to move a over b over. So now I have solved for that a over b. So that missing fraction is like that. I'm going to keep reducing down that 1. So my denominator is b. So I'm going to write 1 as b over b. I did that so that my denominators were the same. And I know I haven't done a subtraction problem yet, but it's our same, I told you it's the same concept, same methods that we had before for addition. So now I have a common denominator. So now I've reduced it and I know what that missing fraction should be.